Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anthony at Firewalls.com, and today we're going to be discussing port forwarding. For starters, we're going to go to Firewall, Static Net. We're going to add. In this example, we're going to set a NAT to our security DVR. I'm going to go ahead and add a member. By default, this is going to use your external IP address to an internal IP address. Though if you had other eligible options, you could select them here. And you can use an FQDN here. For now, we're going to say that we've got a DVR system on 10.10.10.254. Here you see we can translate the source IP or the port. For a bit of added security, we're actually going to use a different external port and translate it to HTTPS. Select OK. Save. Now that we've got our static net, we're going to have to add it to a policy. So we go up here to Firewall, Firewall Policies. We're going to go ahead and add a policy. And because we changed our external port, we're going to have to set up a custom policy type. We're going to name this DVR external. And set it so that from the outside, we access the camera system on port 8443, just because a botnet is unlikely to know what to do with that port. So we'll say OK, save. Then we have to add a policy. In this case, our source is going to be any external. But of course, if you had static IPs, you could narrow this down. And our 2 is actually going to be our static NAT that we recreated. Now you can see here it shows that we're translating from our external IP to the internal IP we set and changing the port to 443. As always, I like to go ahead and turn on logging. Then we just need to save and you're all set. You can now hit your external IP on port 8443 and have it translated to your internal IP on port 443. If you got anything out of this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for future content. If you have any further firewall needs, check out Firewalls.com, where as always we remind you to get secure, stay secure. Thanks.